Welcome back to the Garden Rebel channel. And a lot of people always ask, why have you not been putting out any gardening videos and it's already planting season? Well, one reason is because it's raining a lot down here in the south. And another reason is I can't get away from bee swarms right now. So hang on one second, let me capture this swarm and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to do it. All right, got a little bit of lemongrass oil. We've got some frames that's already got some honey and some comb on them. This is stuff that I put up through the winter time. I lost 3 hives this year. And we're not going to get real technical with it. I'm going to dab a little lemongrass oil on a couple of the frames. I've got a veil right here just in case they get a little bit antsy. Stick my lemongrass oil right back here in my pocket. Chunk my hat. I don't mind getting stung in the arms or wherever, but man, I hate getting stung in the face. Alright, let's slide this over just a little bit closer to that tree. Hopefully, I won't have to shake them but one time. Get it over my box. There we go. And we'll see if they go in there. If they go in, we'll close them up tonight for a couple of days. Since we've got that honey in there, I'm not really worried about it. Just shake a little bit. We'll know here in a minute if they leave the branch alone. Usually I'll bring a smoker up here and I'll smoke the branch, get the scent off of it. But good chance we probably got her in there. We'll see. It's been a swarm every night this week in the bee yard. We've got 6 swarms in the last 2 weeks here in the yard. Some of them's been relatively small. We've done some splits and the queen was still in the swarm mode. We're going to work on that next year. I've got a different plan of attack to try to get these guys to stay in one hive box. And we'll see how it works next year. It's just too late in the year to start it, so we'll see what they got. But man, I am running out of boxes and frames quick. I just ordered $500 worth of new frames and foundation and boxes, and I'm about out already. pull this box out just a little bit. Give them another good shake on the ground. Let them sit there for a moment. What am I going to do with all these bees? I went from 6 hives to 20 hives in a week. Well, really about 14 days. But it really soaks up the equipment you've got, and I've got to put some honey supers on all these this weekend, and I'm going to do away with some of the 10 frame equipment, go with 8 frames on all these down here, and use that 10 frame equipment up on top of the hill. And it's just one thing after another. One thing after another. Alright, they're not getting back on the tree branch, so the queen may be here or she's crawling up the box. A lot of drone. A lot of drone. So we'll let them sit there and calm down for a little bit. So enjoy. You know what? While they're sitting there getting all comfortable in that box, they got us pile up right here and watch for a little bit. I sit here too long, I'm gonna want to go and sleep. I think that queen is in there. Alright, let's go get us some screen to block off the front entrance. I might make some sugar water and put it in there with them, but with 2 frames of honey, I'm not really worried about them having nothing to eat. So, let's go get that while they're crawling in that box. Alright guys, y'all going to have to go in. I don't want to crush nobody. Alright, we'll let them sit like that for a little bit. Come out here, put a block or something underneath them, find where I'm going to move them to, close them up. That'll be good. Alright, we got them set up on a block, get them off the ground. We got our screen sitting there. So as soon as they calm down and they get into the box for the evening time, we will close them up, stick a, I might stick a little bit of sugar water on top in another box and come something to hang in. But they're already dragging the leaves out, as you can see right there. They're getting there. There it goes. They're cleaning it up. They're making it their own. I feel comfortable that she's in there.